So, when you're scrolling through your social media feed and suddenly you see an ad for something you were just talking about? Yeah, that's not a coincidence. It's all thanks to big data analytics. Big data analytics is like a superpower that companies have nowadays. They collect massive amounts of data from all of us and then they analyze it to gain insights and make better decisions. It's like they have a crystal ball into our lives. But don't worry, it's not all creepy. Big data analytics is actually pretty cool. It helps businesses understand our preferences, behaviors, and needs. That's why they can personalize ads and recommendations just for us. It's like having a personal shopper, but in the digital world. And it's not just about ads. Big data analytics is used in healthcare to predict diseases and improve treatments. It's used in transportation to optimize routes and reduce congestion. It's even used in sports to analyze player performance and enhance strategies. But here's the thing, big data analytics is only as good as the data it's based on. So it's important to be aware of what we share online and how it can be used. Privacy matters, my friends. So next time you see an eerily accurate ad, remember it's all thanks to big data analytics. It's a powerful tool that can make our lives better, but let's also be mindful of our digital footprint.